Hey guys, I'm about to show you a beautiful destination trailer that we just got in. It is absolutely stunning. It is a Hampton by Crossroads. Let's see, it is a 2024 and we are pushing out our 2024. So I'm excited to show you this one. It is beautiful, it has a huge bathroom. So let's go from the outside in like normal and you guys let me know what you think and then we'll go from there. All right, let's go. Beautiful windows. I love this Hampton. So on this side we do have two slides and we got two awnings and two doors or two entrances, one of them being a sliding glass door. You've got your speakers outside as well. Beautiful windows. Let's take a look inside. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, take it all in. So you've got two lofts in here. This one over here on this right side is going to be much bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So plenty of space up here. Maybe it's going to be, you know, the kids' playroom or play area, and then they sleep on the other side. So let's show you this one. Kiddos love this. It even has your entertainment area that you can mount right there. It's got air conditioning up there, so they're going to be pretty lovely in there. So right to the right here, we have our huge bathroom. Now, let me see if I can... Oh, there we go. Nice and big. You've got a his and her sink right here. You've got storage on the top, counter space as well, storage on the bottom. Plenty of space, as you can see, a nice, beautiful big shower. Plenty of space, and then you do have your washer and dryer prep in here as well. Extra space to hang up your clothes. Absolutely beautiful. I love this bathroom. I love how big it is. All right. We've got our televator right here. Right across, we got our L-shaped couch. Super comfy. Love it. We have our, yeah, there they are, cup holders right here. You got a beautiful window. In fact, you got beautiful windows all the way around. I love their design in here. I really do. I love that this island is for more than one use. You've got a long counter space, but you also, it's a breakfast table. You can use it maybe you work from home, whatever the case may be. I love that you can have a seat right up here, but it's also used for counter space as well. You've got a huge sink. That is giant. You've got a nice big 4-burner. Oven is giant, and you've got your microwave plus storage all the way around. You got drawers, storage, more over here as well. And then you do have your pantry, which is huge. Plenty of room, guys. I love the backsplash right back there. And I love the countertops. I love the little sparkles in it. But I'm a woman, so I guess that's my thing. But you got a huge fridge, huge residential fridge. So plenty of space, guys, to put all your goods. And then a giant freezer. So I love the residential fridges. All right, right through here we got our master bedroom, and again, huge. But look how beautiful this. Imagine that the RV, there's nothing of RVs out here, but imagine it's mountains and it's water and it's wherever you want to be, and you're able to look out there and see that beautiful scenery. But you also have the option to pull this all the way around. You've also got a little desk or whatever you want to use it for. I mean, personally, I would use it for my setup as far as maybe I put makeup on in the morning. This is a great place, but it's also something that maybe you use for desk. Maybe you work from home, whatever the case may be. I love that you have that option. You've got your, I believe, closet, nice and big, and drawers underneath as well. These magnets really worked. All right, and then you do have your little dresser over here as well, and then more storage up above. I love the white. It's kind of a white gray wood, but it looks beautiful. You've got a nice, huge bed, but not only that, you still have room to walk all the way around, which is really nice, because then you're able to make the bed, which is great. But you guys let me know what you think. If you want to see this, call, text, email, let me know. Comment down below what you think. And if you have any questions, reach out, okay? My information is, like I said, my information is down below. But until next time.